Hey kindergarten, let's practice our hunks and chunks together. Don't hesitate to sing along with me and do the motions. When you see a double E, you say E, E, it's a bumblebee party. When you see a double E, you say E, E, it's a bumblebee party. Da 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 da, da 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 da. O W, ow and O. O W, let it snow. This is a thorn and that is a thistle. T H V V V T H S S S. O R or O R or I want more fish. O W ow. There's a cow going down. D O W N. That's the way to get down. Oh yeah. Sheep love it quiet. S-H, sh, sh, sh. S-H, sh, sh, sh. The king of ing loves to do a jumping dance. I-N-G, ing, ing, ing. I-N-G, ing, ing, ing. Oh, oh, ooh. Oh, oh, ooh. I like school. When you see ed at the end of a word, you say ed, 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 d, d, or t. But it's oy, oi, 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 oy, boy, 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 at the end of a word. Boy. You take scaredy cat E and a scaredy cat A, put them together, and what do they say?